Hadin bako kti kabawan nakawa Myntdu kawa kababsa bam di yakin nong syong snong kan nong ba juai kala pensertok ipai ba badru badan kejing ujon nakaseng kuj Jaka wa Myntdu kabala yo ru ya kejing kersan ban ai kejing menjul nakin nong elam snong kumju nakaliang USDO PHE electrical division juai kibala kubur bako kachaklia syaba palat put namaruat haba kila persang de kilat ba fer ban pen kuj shwa ban sam sikipai baru kimla lai issue kala penlong sundan yo deputy commissioner ka West Pyntrei Hills District ban penmi ya ka hukum hapo ka kendon section 144 CRPC haka janmit jong ka apsau trik jemang araja apsau kata dak ba hukum yo kontraktor kumju katna perlu di roads Jowai Central Division sange no ya ka Pyntrei ya Surok ba penyeso natri yong rai syakli tersi namar ba kani gadai ka wei nek daw ba pen kala kti ya ka wa Myntdu tat hadu bandadon kilat kilenti bala bante alakam ya ka khando bakan tu chakani ka wa naka hukum ka bala ai persya yo kontraktor kumju ya ki wei kitna sarkar katei ka hukum kala khangru ban khlong mau siam nawa Myntdu ban sajan kali hapo kawa badru ban bret khando syakani kawa bat ban bret kinyut babun jan haka apsantrik jemang araja apsau hadian bala Pyntrei kam ya ko hukum deputy commissioner nakaliang extra assistant commissioner ka district uba S Fanbu ulah Hiar syakati ke Jaka ba Pyntrei Surok Dhar construction company haringkat ki officer katna PWD bat ki pulit bat banong baya menta naka office UDC kanang yit ru ya ki wei ki daw ki ba penlong ya ka wa Myntdu bahkan penklarong ya ka
observed lately and also reported to us that the quality of water in the Myntdu river has been affected, and we have identified multiple reasons, not just one construction site. So we are addressing each reason separately. The first one is the immediate pausing and stopping of all construction work in the bypass while they take suitable measures. They make suitable measures to prevent the flow of earth into the river. As you can see, whatever machinery is active right now is active in getting the sand and the earth away from the vulnerable positions. So this directive has been given to PWD to stop the construction work while they jump onto the mitigation of this flow of earth. Another problem which we have also identified, which is illegal sand mining, and different parties who don't have the authority have been coming and taking the earth and the stone from here, materials from the river. So for that we will be looking into it in a very strict manner. The district administration is working closely with the police, with the PWD, with all the other stakeholders to make sure that is stopped. And of course the order has been shared with the IPR also, and you will be getting to see it. So as of now I am only authorized to share that much information, but I want to also clarify that everyone is working in a collaborative manner to address the immediate situation of the Myntdu river. And we are also aware that this is a development work, so we want to make sure that everything is done properly. So it has been stopped immediately, and the resources that the PWD is employing will go into mitigating the flow of earth into the river for now. So, and then of course we will have to in the future come and see again how it's working. But I mean, for now that's all I can tell you.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
lawan ra shapi ling ba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.